1281 days till new halving, fear and greed sitting at 54, which is neutral, 45 days till new election, and Bitcoin is currently trading at 63.1k. We're trading above the 200 EMA on a forum time frame and a daily time frame, which is pretty good. We're trading about the middle of the falling channel, which is sitting at 60k. The closest resistance for us would be approximately at 65k range, which is not that far away. Again, we're coming closer and closer to the new resistance. After that would be the top of the falling channel. On a weekly time frame, the picture is looking pretty nice. We're trading above the previous candle. Weekly MACD is having some small flipping happening there, which means bullish sentiment on a weekly time frame, on a weekly MACD. Monthly time frame is looking pretty nice. If we're gonna look at the candle, we're not making new lows. The current September candle is green, hoping to have the green close. Obviously, we got 10 days left till the September close. Again, historically September is a negative month for the Bitcoin. If you're gonna have a green close, that would be pretty good. Again, if you're gonna have flipping in the next month, if you're gonna make new high compared to the August, for example, if you're gonna trade in October above the August candle, then we may see the flipping on monthly MACD the same way as we seen this in 2021 bull cycle. There it was a reversal kind of there, because monthly MACD was looking pretty bad, same as right now, but then we had the flipping out of nowhere. So let's move to the other instruments. Gold is making new all-time high. S&P is also making new all-time high. Ethereum dominance is slightly pumping. BTC dominance is having some small pullback after hitting 58.5% dominance. It's having pullback there, right now sitting at 58. Ethereum dominance bouncing from the bottom of 2-year low, currently sitting at 14.2%. But Ethereum BTC pair is still trading below the falling wedge. So yeah, that's pretty much all tea for today. Let's move on to the news. First news coming from Microstrategy. Again, we've been listening a lot of news about the Microstrategy lately, especially this week. So Microstrategy just raised $1 billion at 0.6% interest rate to buy more Bitcoin. Total raise was increased by $250 million is initial announcement. Again, pretty good, pretty bullish news for the Bitcoin. More liquidity flowing towards the Bitcoin. That's nice. BlackRock. Recently, BlackRock started huge bull campaign on the Bitcoin. They posting a lot of bullish news. So BlackRock is saying that Bitcoin outperforms after Black Swan events, risk off, risk on. And here's the comparison from BlackRock between the S&P Gold and Bitcoin performance after the Black Swan events. And Bitcoin is showing the maximum performance compared to the other instruments like gold or S&P. So that's pretty bullish. Also, Robert Kennedy Jr. tells Economist magazine that Bitcoin mining is a powerful new tool for supporting renewable intensive grids. Again, more positive news for the Bitcoin. Great to hear. And the last news, again from Donald Trump. So somebody saying to him, it was in a Bitcoin bar in New York City. So somebody was saying to him that we have some gifts for you, Donald Trump. And Trump is saying that he doesn't need gifts, he only wants Bitcoin. So let's hear it.
We have some gifts for you.
Good. I want Bitcoin.
So yeah, it's pretty good to hear from Donald Trump, from Republican presidential candidate. Again, we got 45 days left till the election, waiting for that. But it seems like Bitcoin is preparing for upcoming election with a pretty bullish sentiment. They are obviously hoping to break the current pretty short-term small resistance sitting at 65k range. After that we would have the top of the falling channel, which is pretty long resistance, pretty rough resistance, and obviously after that new all-time high. So yeah, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon.